The Naive Elephant, narrated by Chuni Selden. Once upon a time, in a peaceful forest, there lived a kind-hearted elephant. All the animals in the forest loved her, except for a group of mischievous jackals. These jackals were always jealous of the elephant's strength and plotted to harm her. One day, as the jackals gathered, an old and cunning jackal stood up. He declared that he had a plan to get rid of the elephant once and for all. The other jackals eagerly listened, hoping to finally have a chance to feast on the elephant's flesh. The old jackal approached the elephant and bowed before her, pretending to show great respect. The elephant was surprised by this unusual gesture, as she had never seen a jackal behave so politely before. "Oh, my great and noble friend," the old jackal began, "I have been sent by the animals of the forest to invite you to a grand gathering. They recognize your strength and wish you to become their queen." The elephant was taken aback by this unexpected proposal. She had never thought of becoming a queen, but the idea intrigued her. "Tell me more about this gathering," she said excitedly. With a sly smile, the old jackal explained, "Today is a special day for the animals to choose their ruler, and they have chosen you. They want you to be their queen and lead them to a brighter future." The elephant felt honored and excited. She eagerly agreed to follow the jackal to the gathering. As they journeyed deeper into the forest, he led her towards a murky swamp. The elephant was unaware of the danger that awaited her. She continued to trust the jackal blindly and followed him without question. However, when they reached the swamp, the elephant suddenly found herself sinking into the deep mud. The poor elephant panicked and called out to the old jackal for help. With a wicked grin, the old jackal responded heartlessly, "My poor friend, if only you had not trusted me blindly. Now face the consequences of your foolishness." The elephant understood her mistake. She sank deeper into the swamp with a heavy heart, while the old jackal and his friends laughed at her with malicious glee.
Get a membership of Educare Skill today and make your little ones learn Dzongkha like never before.